Antarctica, a name that conjures images of endless white, a place so remote and forbidding that it almost seems otherworldly. Here, at the bottom of the globe, lies a continent that has challenged explorers, scientists, and dreamers for generations. This is a land of extremes, the coldest, driest, highest, and windiest place on Earth. Temperatures can plunge far below freezing, and the relentless winds sculpt the ice into fantastic shapes, creating a landscape both beautiful and brutal. For centuries, Antarctica was a blank spot on the map, a vast unknown at the edge of human imagination. Its secrets were locked beneath miles of ice, hidden from the world, fueling myths and legends about what might lie within. Today, the continent draws scientists from every corner of the globe. They come, braving the elements, driven by curiosity and the promise of discovery. Each arrival is a testament to human determination and the enduring quest for knowledge. Antarctica is a natural laboratory, a place where the rules of life and geology are pushed to their absolute limits. Here, researchers test the boundaries of what is possible, seeking answers to questions that affect us all. Researchers drill deep into the ancient ice, extracting core samples that contain tiny air bubbles, time capsules that reveal the story of our planet's climate, stretching back hundreds of thousands of years. These frozen records help us understand how Earth's climate has changed and what the future might hold. They study the remarkable wildlife, penguins, seals, and other creatures that have adapted to survive in this harsh, frozen world. Each species is a marvel of evolution, thriving where few others could endure. Beneath the ice, hidden mountain ranges and vast valleys tell the story of Earth's shifting continents. These ancient formations, mapped by radar and satellite, reveal a dynamic history of collision and separation, of continents drifting over millions of years. But Antarctica is more than a scientific curiosity. It's a sentinel for our planet's health. The changes happening here, from melting ice shelves to shifting ecosystems, are early warnings for the rest of the world. The shrinking sea ice, the rising temperatures, these are signals that echo far beyond the southern pole. What happens in Antarctica affects ocean currents, weather patterns, and sea levels across the globe. Every expedition, every sample collected, adds a vital piece to the puzzle of our planet's past and future. The work done here is painstaking, often dangerous, but it is essential for understanding the forces that shape our world. Yet for all we've learned, Antarctica still guards its secrets fiercely. Its vastness and isolation make it one of the last true frontiers on Earth, a place where mystery endures. Recent discoveries, fossils of ancient forests, evidence of lost ecosystems, and strange new life forms have shattered our assumptions, revealing a world stranger and more wondrous than we ever imagined. Antarctica, the last great wilderness, continues to surprise and inspire us, reminding us how much there is still to explore. Imagine standing on the remote, windswept coast of Seymour Island in 2011, where icy gusts whip across a barren, rocky landscape. This isolated corner of Antarctica, battered by relentless weather, seems an unlikely place for a groundbreaking discovery. Yet, beneath the surface, secrets from a lost world lay hidden, waiting to be unearthed. As Chilean scientists combed through the jagged rocks, their eyes caught something extraordinary. A large, leathery fossil, oddly shaped and mysterious, resembling a deflated football. Its texture and size set it apart from the usual finds, sparking immediate curiosity and speculation among the team. For years, this enigmatic object sat quietly in a museum drawer, unlabeled and largely ignored, earning the nickname The Thing. No one could quite figure out what it was, and so it became a silent puzzle, gathering dust among other relics of the past. Then, in 2018, paleontologist Julia Clark took a closer look. With her keen eye and years of experience, she suspected this was no ordinary rock. She proposed a bold idea. Perhaps it was an egg, preserved for millions of years. Clark's insight ignited a wave of excitement, drawing in experts from around the world. An international team began to investigate, using advanced technology and fresh perspectives to unlock the fossil's secrets. By 2025, after years of careful study, the verdict was clear. This was the largest soft-shelled egg ever discovered, second in size only to the legendary egg of the extinct elephant bird. Its delicate shell and immense size astonished even seasoned paleontologists. The fossil was given a name, Antarctiquolithus brady. It dated back an astonishing 68 million years to an era when Antarctica was not a frozen wasteland, but a lush, temperate land teeming with life, including dinosaurs and ancient reptiles. This single fossil forced scientists to rethink everything they thought they knew about life at the bottom of the world. It challenged old assumptions and opened new questions about which creatures once roamed these ancient shores. The discovery was more than just a scientific curiosity. It was a true game changer, inspiring awe and excitement in the scientific community and beyond. The egg story would go on to rewrite our understanding of the giants that once ruled the ancient Antarctic seas, revealing a vibrant, dynamic world lost to time and reminding us that even in the most remote places, history can still surprise us. The egg's true shock wasn't just its size, but its structure. Until now, scientists believed giant reptiles laid hard-shelled eggs like birds. But this Antarctic egg was soft, thin, and leathery, more like a lizard's than a dinosaur's. Microscopic analysis confirmed it. No rigid shell, just a pliable membrane. This upended everything we thought about how massive ancient animals reproduced. Why a soft shell? It absorbs water, but offers little protection, suggesting the egg was buried or even retained inside the mother. Antarcticolithus reveals a hidden diversity in prehistoric reproduction. The fossil record is more complex than we imagined. This single egg forces us to rethink the life cycles of ancient giants. The next mystery: who laid it? No embryo was preserved, so scientists turned to the fossil site for clues. The egg was found among the remains of giant marine reptiles, especially mosasaurs. Mosasaurs, massive sea lizards over 50 feet long, dominated the Cretaceous oceans. The egg size and location fit these giants perfectly. But here's the twist. Mosasaurs were thought to give birth to live young, like whales. A soft-shelled egg suggests a different story, one where a giant reptile hauls itself onto land to lay eggs, like a sea turtle. Imagine a 50-foot mosasaur, awkwardly emerging from the sea to bury its egg in the sand. It's a scenario that challenges everything we thought we knew about these ancient predators. The Antarctic egg hints at a lost world of unexpected behaviors. The egg wasn't alone. The same rocks held fossils of both adult and juvenile marine reptiles. This suggests Seymour Island was once a prehistoric nursery, a sheltered bay where giants came to reproduce. Calm, protected waters would have been ideal for laying eggs and raising young. The abundance of juvenile fossils supports this vision of a bustling, ancient nursery. Antarctica's past comes alive, not just a land of ice, but a cradle for some of Earth's largest reptiles. The cold rocks of today were once the birthplace of giants. As we marveled at ancient eggs, Antarctica delivered another shock, this time from beneath a kilometer of ice. In 2021, British scientists drilled through the Filchner-Ronne ice shelf, expecting only mud and rock. Instead, their camera revealed a thriving community of sponges and filter feeders clinging to a boulder in total darkness. This was 260 kilometers from open ocean, under crushing pressure, in water below freezing. No sunlight, no obvious food. By all logic, life shouldn't exist here. Yet against all odds, it did. The discovery stunned scientists, overturning decades of assumptions about where life can survive. These creatures had adapted to one of the harshest environments on Earth. The Antarctic deep was not barren, but alive with hidden ecosystems. A new frontier had opened beneath the ice. How do these animals survive in such darkness? With no sunlight, food must drift in from far away, carried by slow, persistent ocean currents. These sponges and filter feeders patiently sift nutrients from the water, surviving on the ocean's distant bounty. Life here is slow, energy is precious, and growth is glacial. The discovery suggests a vast hidden ecosystem may exist beneath Antarctica's ice shelves. If life can thrive here, it could be far more widespread than we ever imagined. The deep Antarctic remains largely unexplored, a world of secrets waiting beneath the ice. We've only just begun to scratch the surface. These discoveries do more than rewrite textbooks. They expand our sense of what's possible. The giant egg reveals unexpected strategies in ancient life. The hidden ecosystem shows life can thrive in darkness, cold, and isolation. This has profound implications for the search for life beyond Earth. Icy moons like Europa and Enceladus may have oceans beneath their frozen crusts, just like Antarctica. The Antarctic sponges prove that complex life can survive in such alien conditions. If it can happen here, it could happen elsewhere in the solar system. These findings inspire new hope and new questions for astrobiologists. Antarctica reminds us life is more resilient and surprising than we ever imagined. The discovery of the giant fossil egg, along with the revelation of a hidden ecosystem beneath the Antarctic ice, marks the beginning of an exciting new era for exploration on the White Continent. These findings are rewriting what we thought we knew about Antarctica's past and opening up possibilities for what might still be uncovered in its frozen depths. Antarctica is no longer just a frozen museum of ancient relics. It's a dynamic, ever-changing world, full of mysteries waiting to be revealed. The landscape itself is alive, constantly shifting and evolving, shaped by powerful natural forces. These remarkable discoveries come at a critical moment in history, as climate change accelerates and threatens the very environments that have preserved these secrets for millions of years. The melting ice is both a warning and an opportunity, revealing ancient stories while putting them at risk of being lost forever. Now, the race is on, not just to explore but to protect these fragile and unique ecosystems before they disappear. Scientists and conservationists are working together, determined to safeguard the wonders that remain hidden beneath the ice. Teams are venturing deeper than ever before, searching for more prehistoric nurseries, ancient eggs, and signs of life that have survived in isolation for eons. Each expedition brings new hope of uncovering secrets that could change our understanding of life on Earth. With the help of cutting-edge technology, drones, satellite imaging, and advanced sensors, scientists are mapping and exploring this last great wilderness in ways never before possible. These tools are opening up new frontiers beneath the ice and beyond the horizon. The questions we ask have evolved. It's no longer just, is there life here, but how does it survive in such extremes? And what other extraordinary forms might exist hidden from view? Every answer leads to more questions, fueling the spirit of discovery. These revelations are inspiring a new generation of explorers, scientists, and dreamers. They remind us that our planet is still full of wonder, and that the unknown is closer than we think, sometimes just beneath our feet. The story of Antarctica is far from over. Each discovery is just the beginning of another chapter in a saga that stretches back millions of years. Its greatest secrets may still be waiting, locked away beneath the ice, ready to change our understanding of the world forever.